Morning class. In today's session, let us learn about how to draw an ellipse using the concentric circles method. Yeah, I think you have the circles drawn, but basically I just want to give you a small brush up. What do you need to draw an ellipse using the concentric circles method? You need two things. You need the length of the major axis and the length of the minor axis. So here, as you can see, this is the major axis. I'll just label it. This is the major axis and this is the minor axis. So now to draw the ellipse, see, this is the minor axis, this is the major axis. We have drawn two circles. One circle with the major axis as the diameter and the other circle with the minor axis as the diameter. Right? So now, to proceed, you need to divide these circles into 12 equal parts. How? I think you know how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts, but just in case you don't know, just have a look at this. Have a circle, right? You have this circle, and this is the center. So now, draw one horizontal and one vertical line passing through the center. You have 4 equal parts. You have now 4 equal parts. You need 12 equal parts. Take this O, A, B, C, D as anything. Take the radius of the circle as a radius and take A as center and draw an arc. And then take D as center and draw another arc. And repeat the thing for the other 3 parts. And then you get something like this. That was a rough figure. And you have 12 equal parts. You have 12 equal parts. So now, let us divide this circle also, these two circles also into 12 equal parts. So I'm directly dividing it. You need to take the proper readings using a light marker so that there won't be any confusion. By the way, always use a 2H pencil for the construction lines. Never use a H or a HB. Yes. Right. So now, you have divided the circles into 12 equal parts. Now, you need to get the ellipse. For that, through this point, draw a line parallel to the vertical one, which is the minor axis. And from this, the same line, to avoid confusion, let us label them. Yes? Let us call this P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, this is P5 dash, this is P4 dash, this is P3 dash, this is P2 dash, this is P1 dash, P12 this will be, P6 dash, P6, P7, P7 dash, P8, P8 dash, P9, P9 dash, P10, P10 dash, P11, P11 dash. This is P12, this is P12 dash. So now you have marked the points, marking with HB pencil. Good. So now what you need to do is, you need to draw a horizontal line through this P2 dash, horizontal line through this P2 dash, which meets the vertical line from P2. Vertical line from P2. Horizontal line from P2 dash which meets the vertical line from P2, and mark that intersection. right? And now here in the lower part, vertical line goes up from P12 and horizontal line from P12 dash, right? And again from P11 the same case, and P11 dash, the intersection. When you are considering the bottom part of the diagram, draw the vertical lines, project them upwards, and when you are drawing it on the top, project them downwards, because this is the minor axis and this is the major axis, right? Fine with that? And here this is already P10, this is already the end of the minor axis, so no need to draw any projection stuff. And then from P9, draw horizontal from P9 and vertical from P9 dash, and the same here for P8. And here again this is, this one is the end of the major axis, so no need to draw any further projections. Fine with that? Here from P6 dash, and the vertical comes down from P6. From P5 dash horizontal, from P5 the vertical comes down. Whereas P4 dash is already the end of the minor axis, so you can just mark it. And P3 dash, the horizontal goes and vertical comes down from P3. So now you have marked 12 different points. You need to join all these points to get your required ellipse. Give me this. Right. This, we'll start from this. This is the end of the major axis. From here, go to join all the intersections. This will be your required ellipse. You need to draw it more clear. Just you have you can use French curves for the construction. French curves look something like, you have some shapes, they come along with set squares also. You can use French curves for the construction of an ellipse. So this will be your required ellipse, and this is how you construct an ellipse using the concentric circles method. So the question can come in any way. It can be about a point moving around a line, or something like one point is fixed. It is fixed from one point, and another point is moving such that the distance is constant. We'll do more problems based on that. We'll do it.